Hey guys, what I've got here is the Sony BRAVIA 49-inch X1 processor 4K HDR smart TV. Let's set this up. The energy consumption is rated as A. At the back, there are input slots for the audio. Also there is a USB, HDMI slots, an IR blaster, and other slots to capture your display. At the back there are also mounting holes to wall mount your flat TV. So with this TV you'll also get an IR blaster, which basically changes channels using your voice, a power hub with a power lead, 2 batteries for the remote, instructions which comes with a 5-year guarantee, a nice looking remote control, and 2 stands that has a slot to tuck the wires away. Now screwing in the stands is pretty easy, like shown on the instructions. Once you're happy with everything, time to power you up. From here you'll go through some settings to set up your Wi-Fi connection, connect a tablet or smartphone. Parental lock and other settings. Now the homepage is nice and simple. On the remote you have voice command, which is a good feature. ZRK reviews. PewDiePie. AEW. Movie trailers. I'm very happy with the picture quality here for watching YouTube videos, and watching 4K clips is awesome with good color combinations. Now in settings, there's channel setup, external inputs, display where you can change the picture mode from cinematic to sports and more, sounds, illumination LED, power, apps, screensaver, storage and reset. Now the storage is only about 8 gig. You got network, Google Cast, Bluetooth settings, voice remote control, recording device setup, and much more settings to configure through. Now you will need to leave this option on so it connects to your Wi-Fi automatically, as previously this was off and I had to go through network settings all the time to connect. So leave the scan on. Now if you're watching any YouTube videos and they are recorded in 4K, to attain the level of display, just go to More on the screen and select Quality to 4K. Now playing games on this TV is awesome. Great detail and quality in HDR. You can change the picture mode to game or graphics for a better display. Now if the game supports 4K HDR, just make sure it is changed in the settings of your PlayStation. Overall guys, I'm happy with this big screen.
More survivors. Gotta get that train moving.
So rather squeeze them up a bit. That's where he's slack. I don't really know whether this could then you get a new snack. You're at WrestleMania. You gotta do all that. That's the Rock's supposed to be afraid of. What's the Rock gonna be afraid of Goldberg about? What's Goldberg gonna do?